We're doing a little carpet cleaning job here. We're going to vacuum real quick. This carpet always has a lot of pet urine and spilled soda and everything in it, so we're using the Dyson because it's the easiest one to tear down and clean up. Because we're going to have to completely strip it down and get all the urine and stuff out of it. Because there's always fresh urine in the carpet up here. So that's the one thing that's good about the Dyson. You can take it apart real easily. You can get the brush roll out and all that stuff. Now we're not going to pick up everything we see. We're just going to pick up anything that's in the way of our carpet cleaning. This is one of those. Carpets you've probably seen 100 times if you watch our channel. And we're up here about once a month because they get inspected once a month because they kind of keep their place pretty dirty. So they're getting checked once a month to make sure they're staying clean. And they don't stay clean, so. Yeah, you gotta be careful what you vacuum up because you never know what's in these carpets. Stop for a second. Stop. Yeah, there's stuff that'll ruin your vacuum all over the place up here. Wait a second, there's a hairpin. Alright. We're going to do an extraction. We're going to put up another video. We're going to use the rug doctor and do a water extraction on this time. Because it hasn't been done in a while.
Just for fun.
Well, they had a giant pet mess up here a couple days ago that we cleaned. Oh, there's something else. Wait. They had a giant pet mess up here a couple days ago that we had to extract for them. And we already know it's really past due for an extraction. So we're going to do that today. This isn't going to be a very long video either because we're just doing this living room on camera. Yeah, you gotta, it's nice to have more than one vacuum available to you because some vacuums will will get torn up on one job and other vacuums can handle more of the harsh use.
Well, different vacuums can work for different applications.
Yeah. And on a job like this, you want to use the vacuum you got that will handle the abuse the best. If we use the sanitary up here, it's guaranteed to have something tear up the fan, or at least get stuff jammed in the brush roll so bad we'd have to take the whole thing apart and strip it down. Plus, getting urine out of a shakeout bag isn't very fun.
Go ahead and go down the hallway. Now we know a lot of people don't like Dysons, but in truth, this vacuum boy is done real good. He gets a lot of stuff out. I don't have an issue with him. I like other vacuums, but the Dyson's nothing wrong with it.
Well,
when we first got it, I thought it'd be too delicate for carpet cleaning, but it turns out if you go and pick up all the pennies and paper clips and all that stuff first and nails, it does a good job cleaning. It really does. I don't like it better than my sanitary, but I do like it.
it's just different.
Go ahead and let's do the bedroom real quick.
Watch out, there's a bunch of stuff right under the edge of the bed, so don't go under the edge of the bed at all.
Hit me with your foot.
I already did, but it just pops back out again.
When you work in places like this, don't go underneath things you can't see.
No.
Never go underneath first because they got all kinds of garbage in there.
Well, the rug doctor's not going to go under the bed,
No.
so there's no point vacuuming under there either.
No, there's not.
I can smell the urine real strong in here.
It was right here where they were caught at a few nights ago.
It's probably still wet.
Yeah, maybe.
A lot of people don't know, but pet urine, it can stay wet for months. Because what happens?
Stay wet for years.
Yeah, because what happens is that urine absorbs all the moisture. That urine absorbs all the moisture in your house, and so it just keeps staying wet. So even if someone's moved out, even if a place has been empty for months and months, you can still pick up urine. You can still get wet urine in your vacuum because it just keeps absorbing the moisture in the house and staying damp. If you want to hold it up, let's see how bad.
Just get out here first.
Well, hold it towards the light here. I'll stand here and let me see how bad the brush roll looks. Hold it up here so the light's shining on it. Yeah. And every time I clean the brush roll after this place, that hair is going to be soaked with urine. It's going to be wet.
Any trash in the bin? This was empty when we got up here. Yeah, boy.
It picked up some junk.
That's all full.
You see, see that long stuff in there?
Yeah.
That's the stuff that's. I'm glad it made it into the bin because it usually
the
gets
person
jammed
that
in the
lives
brush
up here,
roll.
we know her. She's making Christmas wreaths, and
Yeah.
she's using bread ties to tie squeegees together, and that's what's going on.
Yeah. Anyway, I know a lot of people don't like the Dyson. Look, some people do though; they love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.
We love all our vacuums. I mean, the Dyson's not our favorite, but it works good. So
There's times when it's the perfect thing because number one, you can see what you're picking up. Number two, it's easy to take apart and clean, and that's the real reason we use it up here. And we're not that worried that it's going to get broken because it's a pretty durable vacuum. You just got to watch what you're picking up with it. Other than that, it works fine. But anyway, that's all for the vacuum part of the video. We're going to shoot a Rug Doctor video and put that up separately. So, until next time, thanks for watching.